Where were you when the lights went out? Did you find yourself someplace safe? Did you find yourself with the candlelight, holding on with all it takes? Can you bring yourself to catch your wind? Trouble waking up again. The worst is not over yet. Left to freeze, they're soaking wet. It's gonna rain. Do you think they hear your prayers up there?